All right. So what would this look like on the Math Olympiad test? So we did it with our hands and we moved stuff around. That clearly can't happen on Olympiad test because we're not going to give you manipulatives. So what I would do is I would draw out my three rectangles and then I would label them. Okay. It doesn't matter how long they are. What matters in your drawing is that it's proportionate. So what do I mean by that? The 6 one's the shortest, the 9 one's the middle length, and then the 11 one is the longest. It doesn't really, it won't change your answer. I'm just going to put my face up here. It won't change your answer, but it will help you visualize what you're working with. Okay. Then from there, I would do a guess and check model. I know that I need to measure 14 inches, right? So what do I do? Well, can I move this one? 6 and 9. I could do a 6 and 9, right? And how long what does that give me? Well, that only gives me a 6 and a 9 would give me 15 centimeters. Oops, I said inches earlier. You guys know what I mean, right? Then, so that doesn't work. So what about let's see, let's put this 9 back. Let's do a 6 and 11. Is there a way for me to measure 6 and 11? That gives me 17 centimeters. I have the 9 left. So if I like take away the 9, I'm still at 8 centimeters. So that doesn't work. Do you see what I'm doing here? I'm trying to manipulate these bars. So let's try my last combination here. Let's do 11 and 9 centimeters. Okay, so that gives us 20 centimeters. And then what do I notice? Okay, right now I have 20 centimeters here. I need to know exactly how long 14 centimeters is. What do I have here? I have a 6. What would happen if I cut off 6 of these 20 centimeters? I would have, what would I have left? I would have 14 centimeters. So all I did there, if this was a real Olympiad test, you would draw it and you'd go 6 plus 9, right? Nope, I can't do anything with the 11. Okay, that gets me to 15 minus 11. That's 4. So maybe I could figure out a way to use it, but probably not. So then I'm going to do 6 plus 11. That gets me to 17. Take away 9. That would, right? So if you're like, well, if I can subtract 9, that gives me 8 over here. That's not helpful, right? But then you see, if I put 9 and 11 together, I get to 20. That's 6. I could take away the empty space here. That is exactly 14 centimeters.